Hello, this is Richard Wilson coming to you from downtown Boston. I'm the CEO of the Family Office Club. I just wanted to record this short video hosting a workshop upstairs, and I'm not more than a couple miles away from when I started the Family Office Club, when I had $900 in my bank account and my rent in Harvard Square was $1,400 a month. And by chance I saw that Gary Vee had a Facebook video this morning that said that he's been at this for 10 years as well, growing his media business. And he said, it's taken 10 years to get to the level of effectiveness of where he's at. And he was pointing out how long it took. And at one point, on one angle, you could take that as bad news, that it takes so long to get traction. But the good news is, I think that when you follow the right formula and things are well integrated and things are aligned, then it simplifies everything. Because you know that if you're headed in the right direction and adding genuine value as you go, that the formula is simple, even though it takes a lot of hard work and consistency, because almost no one will put in that consistent hard work. So you know that you're going to overcome a lot of competitors who are going to go to the wayside, get distracted, get demotivated, get bought out, find another bright, shiny object in a different direction. And I think that it can be very reassuring. So a lot of things that we share at the workshop we're hosting today, at our Family Office Club conferences, are all about how to have everything integrated as much as possible, so you can have that assurance that as a family office, you will be getting better and higher quality deal flow and more deal flow. As a multifamily office, you'll be attracting more clients. As an investment firm, you'll be attracting more investors. And I think that's a very comforting thing to know, despite the marketplace getting more crowded and competitive all the time. Hope you enjoyed this short video. It's Richard Wilson coming to you from Boston, and hopefully I'll see you at one of our next events. Check out the schedule at familyoffices.com. Thank you.